Hello everyone. So we have completed 35 sentences so far and today we will learn 15 new ones to hit our 50 sentence milestone. So please don't pause or stop the video midway. Please watch it all the way through. So let's get started. So our 36 sentence is जब तक तुम खुद कोशिश नहीं करोगे तुम्हें कुछ भी हासिल नहीं होगा. Until you try yourself, you won't achieve anything. Now come to the 37 sentence. मुझे इस बात से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं. It doesn't matter to me what people think. Now come to the 33 sentence. वह मुझसे इस तरह बात कर रहा था जैसे कि वह मुझे जानता ही ना हो. He was talking to me as if he didn't even know me. Now come to the 39 sentence. तुम्हें अपने गुस्से पर काबू रखना सीखना चाहिए. You should learn to control your anger. Now come to the 40th sentence. मैं तुम्हारे बिना अपना जीवन सोच भी नहीं सकता. I can't even imagine my life without you. Now come to the 41 sentence. अगर तुमने मेरी बात मानी होती तो आज ये दिन नहीं देखना पड़ता. If you had listened to me, you wouldn't have to see this day. Now come to the 42 sentence. वह इतनी धीरे धीरे बोल रही थी कि मुझे कुछ सुनाई ही नहीं दिया. She was speaking so slowly that I couldn't hear anything. Now come to the 43 sentence. मुझे नहीं पता था कि तुम इतनी जल्दी वापस आ जाओगे. I didn't know you would come back so soon. Now come to the 44 sentence. तुमने मेरी बात को इतना बड़ा मुद्दा क्यों बना दिया? Why did you make such a big issue out of my words? Now come to the 45 sentence. जब तक तुम मुझसे सच नहीं कहोगे मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं कर सकता. Until you tell me the truth, I can't help you. Now come to the 46th sentence. मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार करते करते थक गया हूँ. I am tired of waiting for you. Now come to the 47th sentence. वह हर छोटी छोटी बातों पर गुस्सा हो जाता है. He gets angry over every small thing. Now come to the 48th sentence. मुझे तुम्हारे साथ समय बिताना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I really enjoy spending time with you. Now come to the 49th sentence. तुमने बिना सोचे समझे इतना बड़ा फैसला कैसे ले लिया? How could you take such a big decision without thinking? Now come to the 50th sentence and it is our last sentence of the day. मैं तुम्हें परेशान नहीं करना चाहता था इसलिए मैंने कॉल नहीं किया. I didn't want to disturb you so I didn't call. So we have officially reached our first milestone 50 sentences. So for the remaining 50 please stay tuned with me. That's all for today. Have a great weekend and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Happy